Hello happy family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make the quickest jollof rice you've ever had. Yes, this is so special and I want to share this with you. And in fact, after trying this recipe, this will change the way and how you prepare your jollof rice. So please don't go nowhere, take your seat, come with me and let's start cooking. Alright friends, so to start I have here a few vegetables. This is very affordable ones also. So as you can tell, all my recipes I try to use very affordable recipes and easily to find. So right here I have my pepper, tomatoes, onion, and I have red bell peppers as well. So next, dice them up into small sizes and then transfer them into your blender and add ginger and garlic in here. And also I have my rosemary, and this is about half teaspoon. Cover it and blend it into smooth. Yes, me say jollof rice. This is a very special edition and I want you to make at home. And I have here my onion, and this is what I'm going to use to cook with the stew. So go ahead and dice them up in whichever shape that you like. Coming next, I have here my tomato paste. I'm using my salsa, but you can use any tomato paste of your choice. Yes, and today we're going to cook this jollof rice with palm oil. If you haven't tried this before and this is your first time, please go ahead and give it a try, okay? So after you let your palm oil heat just a little bit, go ahead and add your onion. And also, I'm going to add this twist to my jollof rice this time. Since we are using palm oil, I like to add smoked herrings or mani, that's how we call it in Ghana, but this is an optional. You can add smoked mackerel as well, but I really love the flavor of these smoked herrings right here. Try. I know this is a very special additional jollof rice and I want you to try, okay? So we're just going to debones everything and then we're going to break it into small sizes, so meaning remove all the bones in there, okay? So it has been a minute and our onion is good. So go ahead and add your tomato paste in here and allow it to cook for about 6 minutes. Yes, after you stir, let it cook. And after you let it cook, you can add your favorite spices or seasonings that you have. I have what I'm using here listed on the screen, so you have the idea what I am using for this recipe. So after that, go ahead and stir and then let it cook for just a minute. And after a minute, go ahead and transfer your blended tomato and onion in here and then stir them really well. In fact, this stew is not done yet, but the way it is smelling, I wish you were here to tell. In fact, this jollof is going to taste really delicious. So cover it and have it cook for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, your stew is almost done. So go ahead and add your remaining spices. I'm adding here my curry powder, nutmeg, shrimp powder. This is going to replace Maggi because I don't really like Maggi in my stews. And of course, go ahead and add your smoked herrings as well. And then stir and then give it up for about 6 minutes, okay? And remember, we are using a medium heat to prepare this stew. So cover it up and then after that, go ahead and get your rice ready. I've washed about 3 cups of Basmati rice and that is what I am going to use. But please feel free and use any rice of your choice. I really love Basmati rice because I kind of like how it comes out singles and it doesn't take too long to cook, at least about 15 minutes and the rice is done. So next I'm adding here my hot water. Yes, this is about 1.5 cups because of the stew, so don't add too much water in here. So after that, we're gonna add our salt and make sure that it is the right taste for you. Stir them up and then cover it up. On this side, you have to lower the heat a little bit to a low heat so the rice can steam and cook really well because we don't want to burn our rice. So as you can tell, the rice is almost done, so I'm gonna add here my cooked beans. Yes, this is a little twist to it, and if this is your first time, try this and then leave me some comment down there below. In fact, you're gonna fall in love with this recipe. This is a very quick, easy lunch that you can actually make within 40 minutes. Yes, this is very easy recipe for everyone, especially the bachelors, the single ladies, or the boys out there. Yes, you don't have to eat restaurant, okay? You can make this at home and take for your lunch or dinner. So go ahead and cover it. After that, let it steam, and then your rice will be ready. Yes, as you can tell, this rice has cooked into perfection. I have dense so sham, just like how I wanted my jollof rice. Yes, so go ahead and dish it out because it is completely ready. Na kono any deal I want you to take the time and try this recipe. And if this is your first time using palm oil to make jollof rice, leave me some comment. And if you have tried this before, leave me some comment as well, so I will know how yours turn out. So I'm garnishing this with some parsley in here, but if you don't have it, that's okay. It's just an optional. Friends, this is how I make my authentic, easy peasy jollof rice that you can cook under 40 minutes or less. Thank you so much, friends. If you did enjoy this recipe, don't forget to share among your friends and loved ones. And also don't forget to tell your friends about this awesome page that we have right here. So I come your way. Stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed weekend. Bye-bye.